This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix OneNote cannot create a new notebook error on your smartphone. Most likely this error comes with this error code. This is the error code, and if you are facing such an error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this error, most likely it's because of one of these reasons. One of them might be the specific location is not available, or you do not have permission to modify the specified location, or the path of one notebook name contains invalid characters, or the combined path and notebook name exceeds the maximum path length. Here, to fix this, you're told to adjust the path and notebook name and then try again. This should fix your problem. However, if you still have the same issue, then check and then see if you have any VPN turned on, turn it off, or if you have any security app that you recently installed, you'll need to turn it off or uninstall it to fix this issue. However, even after doing this, if this still persists, then go to settings on your phone, and for that we want to troubleshoot OneNote app. To do this, go to apps and look for manage apps or all apps depending on your smartphone. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for OneNote. Tap on it to open the app info page, and from here go to force stop, and okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your app, everything should be up and running without any issue. You also want to check and then see if you have any update for your app by going to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. So by following any of this, now you shouldn't have the error on your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.